Shukor nakaslab jong unongsan Hima.
Integrated Technology Enabled Agriculture Management System, or iTEAMS. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective of the scheme is addressing the critical issue of enabling and facilitating access to remunerative and sustainable markets for farmers' produce in the most transparent and effective manner through facilitation service, iTEAMS. Dial 1917, whereby farmers can be assisted on the following activities: 12/6 physical connectivity to markets, access to input suppliers and bidders, tailor-made advisory solutions on crops, package of practices, animal health care, etc. Assistance to farmers in logistics through prime agriculture response vehicles. Livelihood options through leasing agriculture response vehicles. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Telephone advice, free mobile SMS to registered farmers, transport service to evacuate farmers' produce to markets. Who can apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Farmers can dial 1917 from any mobile phone to register with 1917 iTEAMS. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Open to all farmers and buyers to register. Whom to contact? Dial 1917 toll-free number to register or avail the service.